Y'all remember that video that I was looking for the glass tumbles that went viral? Okay, so my girl called me and she said, Aronia, why you on the hunt going to all these stores looking for these tumblers? Baby, you should have just called me. I got them. Guess what? I got them. So I have the green one and I have the yellow one. So she didn't have the pink one and the red one with the strawberries and the strawberries was on them. So, but your girl still came through for me. Thank you. These are the greens with the sunflowers and the yellow with the sunflowers. So, I'm going to decorate them. So, when I got them, I just didn't know what to put on these tumblers because it have the sunflowers on here and they are stuck on here to where I cannot move them. So, I was like, how am I going to decorate these because these sunflowers do not come off. So, I came up with an idea. Please stay tuned for the end results to see how your girl decorate these tumblers. Okay, I have my UV DTF stickers and I'm going to put these on the tumblers. I'm gonna try to color code them which one look better on them. So I picked out a few DTF prints that I can use on them. And so I'm going to just work with them. So I'm going to be cutting. So this one will go on either one, So. I think I'ma do you. I'ma do you. Or, let me see. Because I don't have to cut that much. Okay. I'm gonna do Okay, so this is what I did to the yellow one with the sunflowers. I put Silly Mom, Just Let the Universe Handle It, and they have the sunflowers. And I put the brown checkerboards on the side. So that's the Silly Mom, and this is the green one. Gentle Parenting, Dropout. This morning with the sunflowers. You see the sunflowers is in the picture around the skeleton, and then the sunflowers around the side. So tell me what y'all think. Did I pick a good choice print for these tumblers, or they alright? Drop a heart down for me and follow me on my YouTube with Exploring with Fancy. See y'all soon.